So at Scale Beyond, we're a CVO focused digital agency, and everything we do comes under that CVO umbrella. So that includes split testing, UX design, and Klaviyo email marketing. So you might be wondering, what does CVO actually stand for? And that's hopefully what I'm going to try and answer on this video today. So the term CVO has been out there for a number of years in the ether in terms of digital marketing and e-commerce. So this guy on YouTube was talking about it 9 years ago. Fair play to him. We can see ChatGPT does know what it is as well, albeit it takes a little bit of time to answer that question. So CVO actually stands for Customer Value Optimization, and what it means in this context is that we're trying to drive the maximum revenue and profit per visitor for every user who comes to your e-commerce site. So most agencies like us operating in this space, doing split testing, doing UX design, refer to themselves as CRO agencies. So CRO is a much more widely recognized term. It stands for conversion rate optimization. And to be honest, it would have probably made our lives easier if we'd called ourselves a CRO agency as well. There's far more searches, users understand what it is more readily, and it probably would have avoided me having to make this video. But the issue with CRO is that by definition, it focuses on a single metric of conversion rate. That's literally in the name. Whereas with what we're doing, we're not always focusing on conversion rate. So conversion rate is obviously an important metric in a lot of what we do, but it's certainly not the only metric. And there's other metrics like average order value, lifetime value. You can even equate CVO to things that aren't directly measurable on site. So for example, if we're working with a fashion brand, if we can reduce that fashion brand's returns rate from 60% to 40%, that wouldn't reflect in conversion, it wouldn't reflect in AOV, but it would make a massive difference to the bottom line of that brand. And that's really where CVO comes in as a term for us. It's that much more holistic approach and view to all the metrics, all the measures in the business in terms of ultimately driving that profit per visitor, which is what we're trying to do with every business that we work with. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So hopefully now you understand what CVO means, why at Scale Beyond we use it as an umbrella term for our services rather than CRO, and why it's really, really important not to just focus on the single metric of conversion rate when you're looking to optimize a site through split testing or UX design. It's really key to take a more holistic approach to the various different metrics if you want to scale and if you want to grow. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. We work with a lot of great clients at Scale Beyond. If you're interested in finding out more, there's a link in the description below to book a call, and hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Thanks all.